Hey, what's up? So you want a video like this that you can play and stop and like put it in full screen, and you can align however big you want it. But you don't know how to really use CSS, and you just want a nice way, and everybody else is telling you weird different things. So all you have to do is iframe, and then in here, src is to get the file name, href is to get the link. So like, yeah, I think you understand. But so I have a video on here. It's called br.mp4. .mp4. So all I have to do is type that in. Hello. But it like autofills to 150 pixels, and you want to like change the height and the width. So all you have to do is type in width and 100%. Hello. And that gets like this. But that doesn't really work that way for height. So for height it's a different story. I just usually do 140px, which looks good on this. But if you do full screen it doesn't look that good. But you can figure that out on your own of what you really want. But for now, thanks for watching. See ya.